Hi everybody, today is part 2 in our series of how to attract more co-working members using Google My Business. If you haven't watched step 1 in this series, I definitely recommend watching that first, as we went through setting up your Google My Business and what some of the best practices are for co-working spaces. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Google My Business Posts. We'll show you exactly what they are, where they can be found, some of the best practices, and even some tools that can help you get started. Your Google My Business posts may be found alongside your Google My Business information. In this example, you can see that there's an image, a description, and also a call to action. There are 4 different post types that you can post to your Google My Business account. What's new, events, offers, and also products. The What's New post type is used for general information about your business. It may include a photo or video, a description, as well as a call to action. The Events post type is similar to What's New, however it offers additional fields like date and time so that you can communicate more information about your upcoming events. The Offer post type is similar to Events in that they also require a start and end date. However, you won't be able to choose your own call to action. Rather, it'll always use a View Offer button as the call to action. Google recommends using the Product post type for physical products that you sell. However, we've seen co-working spaces use this for services as well. An example of this could be if you know that you have an upcoming private office vacancy, you could use this to promote it. Now that we've gone through the 4 different post types offered by Google My Business, we're going to show you some tips and tricks to help you get started. Make sure to choose a compelling call to action which matches your post. All of the buttons seen here can be redirected to any web page, with exception to the Call Now button, which is pre-populated with your Google My Business phone number. Our next tip is to not use hashtags because they simply just don't do anything on Google. But you can use emojis sparingly throughout your posts. You'll want to post approximately every 7 days because listings do expire and Google no longer features them within your Google My Business page. Our recommendation is approximately 100 words per post. This can vary, but keep in mind that Google only shows about 100 characters as a preview before requiring the user to click in to see more information. Keep your images in a 4:3 aspect ratio to avoid clipping or cropping, especially on different devices and resolutions. As you've been watching this video, you've probably been thinking about ways that you can leverage Google My Business posts to help fill your co-working space. If not, here are some ideas that we've seen out there being used as well. If you're having trouble finding or creating assets for your social media posts or your Google My Business posts, you can use this tool by Google, which is free, called smallthanks.withgoogle.com. And you basically just plug in your business name and it'll produce some assets which you can then print or reuse along the web. So an example here is a social media post, a poster or a sign, as well as some table, tent, and sticker options. You can choose and change the different styles, as well as just download them for printing. So a very easy to use tool, which is free. At Spacefully, we help co-working spaces by designing websites and custom online marketing systems that attract, engage, and convert more co-working members. If your co-working space currently has some vacancies, check out our Coworking Blueprint, where we'll show you the exact strategies that we use to help fill co-working spaces. Next week in this series, we're going to be talking about the single most important thing you need to optimize in your Google My Business page. So we'll see you then. Thank you.